Okay, today we're at the JW Raulston Arboretum, and we came to see the corpse flower, but Drew wanted to check out these landscaping flowers. You can see we got some marigolds over here. If I'm going to plant some flowers, they're going to be wild, weird. They're not going to be marigolds. Although marigolds are really good at repelling pests. So if you plant them amongst your garden, then
look, you want to go see the sunflowers?
There are a few sunflowers here. These sunflowers are gorgeous. They're all American selections. So these plants are the ones that have been chosen to be perfect for people's yards around here.
Yeah, and so
here's the petunias.
If you're trying to go down from Cary to Hillsborough Street now, you have to come down this road.
Red maple.
Drive right past this place.
These are petunias.
Blue Ridge is closed.
This is full Goldilocks
and
rocks.
I see signs that say plant sale.
So they sell these. Of course they sell some of them, yes.
Yeah.
This is the Empress of India.
Super early.
These are begonias. We have begonias in our yard. Lots of begonias. The problem with some of these plants is that they only last 1 year. Who wants to do all this work for a plant that only lasts a couple of months? I always try to get perennials in my garden so that they come back year after year, because somebody's doing all this work for this creamy yellow marigold to die in a couple of months and then be not coming back. These are the impatient. Some of the impatiens come back year after year. It just depends on what kind of climate you're in.
My impatience comes back every hour.
Drew's impatience comes back. What is this, Drew? You know what these are? We have them in our yard. Drew's failing. You're failing.
Not test taker.
We talk about these flowers all the time.
It's a black-eyed Susan.
Wrong. Canna. These are canna lilies.
Different colored
They're different color. You're right. We have purple. It's okay.
This is a red coneflower.
This is gorgeous. That's right. We have coneflower. What's on the bottom of those coneflower? Underneath, what do the roots make? Yo, he don't listen to me at all. Echinacea. Look at this hibiscus right here. Tell me something about the hibiscus that I don't know. That the people at home don't know.
I don't know.
The flower is 100% edible.
All right.
It only blooms for 1 day.
That's the one that we have in the house.
That's the one that we have in the house. Well, that one died, but we did have it in the house. He don't listen to me, y'all. As you can see. This is a key lime, sweet Caroline upside down. This is sweet potato.
This is asparagus.
Sweet potato vines. The ornamental sweet potato vines are edible and also pretty. And you can pull them up, but you could get little sweet potatoes. They're not very good. Some of them are sterile. What's this?
This is asparagus.
Asparagus. All right. It looks like the fennel, huh? Same garden, same family. So anyway, like I said, these plants are specially grown for this area. Here's some fennel. Look at that, just like we have.
Those are maters.
Yeah.
Their tomatoes look good.
This is some lemon basil. Their tomatoes do look good. They got them planted. Oh, this is because this is a midnight snack. Midnight snack is an excellent variety for this area. We grow midnight snacks as well. Look at this pretty thing. There's a bee. If I were a bee, I'd love to live out here. Those are not black-eyed Susans, but they're close. What's it say? Not black-eyed
It's not in
Susan.
English.
It's close though.
This is Negro Io.
That's black eye, Negro Io. I don't even think that's right, but these are cool. These are gonna be some garlic or look at this cool thing. It's blooming. This is called the Paul Bunyan. Anyway, there's a lot more flowers that are. Drew, you're getting off you're in the wrong garden. We came to look at the landscaping flowers. I mean, we didn't, but petunias. That's what you said you wanted to see.
What?
The landscaping flowers. Look at
All
these.
those flowers over there. You should take your video over here.
We got sidetracked by flowers.
Check out all the flowers.
There's some sunflowers.
This person's posing for a photo, or is that a...
I think that's a pirate or some sort.
I got some...
Here's some sedum. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's some more echinacea, not in bloom yet. More coneflowers. It's pretty close to the highway. Grow your flowers. What you got over here? What's it called? It's called a hibiscus cherry cheesecake hibiscus. How's it smell? Like nothing. Only it does kind of. It has a scent. You can eat them. Eat those hibiscus flowers. They're high in antioxidants. Look at this thing. What is this? It looks like it's a little pineapple.
It does look like a pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it is.
It maybe is.
That is kind of what it looked like when we saw it in Belize.
It's not a pineapple, but
I think that is.
something along those lines. Here's some more canna. Look how pretty that is. All right, we're over here to the Peoples. Wow, look at all those lilies that are blooming. My lilies aren't in bloom yet. These are gorgeous. There's some more asparagus. This is hardcore. Feel how hard these things are. They get sticky. Yeah, look at all these lilies in bloom. They're gorgeous. There's some more lilies. All right, here's the person over here. We came all the way over here so you could see this lady. Came all the way over here so you could see this lady. Go take a photo with her.
It's okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And if you want to see more photos of Drew, hit the thumbs up button. Nuh-uh, you get over here and take this photo right now.